Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by measuring and feeling the fit so you know what to change. Once you have that, loosen the clasp and remove or add links to reduce play. Make small adjustments, one link or one micro hole at a time, so you don't over-tighten. Try the watch for several minutes while moving your wrist. This tells you whether the first adjustments worked and whether you need a tighter micro position or an extra half link for a stable base. Once done with basic sizing, add materials that increase friction. Insert a thin silicone liner, leather pad, or adhesive anti-slip strip beneath the band where it contacts skin. Make sure the liner sits flat and does not pinch. A 0.5 1 mm thickness often works well. Alternatively, swap to a thicker strap or use spring bar adapters to center the watch head. A NATO or Velcro style strap. You finish by tightening the clasp to the preferred micro hole, tucking any excess strap, and wearing the watch through daily movements to confirm stability. Make incremental micro adjustments. Don't jump 2 holes at once, and recheck after activities. If the watch still slides, apply a small piece of double-sided watch tape or reposition the spring bars slightly forward. If problems persist, take it to a watchmaker for a band resize or custom fitting to prevent future rotation and protect the case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.